This illustration shows how to size time delay fuses to allow a motor to start and accelerate its load. Now, in the illustration 18-26C, you notice that we still have a 50 horse, 3-phase, 460 volt, 3-phase motor, design B, with a nameplate of 62 amps, nameplate current. Now, we're going to size maximum time delay size fuses because the round up and the round down size of 430.52C1 and exception 1 would not allow the motor to start and accelerate the load without nuisance tripping at different periods of time. So in the step 1, we're still in 430.6A1, referred to table 430.250. We find the percentages in step 2 by referencing 430.52C1 and look at the exception 2B or 2, table 430.52, and the minimum size is 225%. And of course that is exception 2 and looking at the item 2. Now, step 3, 430.52C1, exception 2, item 2, we could use 225%. And 225% times 65 is 146, and we could round down, selecting the overcurrent device from our table 240.6A to 125 amp. No exception to let you go up to 150 in the exception 2. So the solution is the time delay fuses would be 125 amp in size, and then as a good rule of thumb, 125 amp set of fuses will hold 5 times their rating for about 10 seconds, and if that did not allow the motor to start and run, you would have to go to an instantaneous trip type circuit breaker and starter and so forth. But you could always use a reduced starting method, usually a solid state starter or adjustable speed drive where you have high inrush current problems, and that's what this figure 18-26C is illustrating to the user of the code, designing motor circuit devices to allow a motor to start and run using time delay fuses.